Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial, I will discuss about how to sign out your Google account from Messages app on your Android mobiles. How can I sign out? So keep watching this video until then. Before starting my video, please like and subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates. So guys, first of all, open Messages app on your Android mobile. Click on profile icon. Oh, sorry. And now guys, click on this arrow and scroll down. Manage Google account on this device. Now guys, scroll down and select the account which you want to sign on your app. Click on it. Now remove account. Now remove account. Now guys, go back. You can see your Google account has been signed out from Messages app. You can see a page on screen. So guys, if you want to add another Google account on Messages app, you can add it. Click on profile icon. You can select the account which you want to add on your Messages app. By this method, you can sign out your Google account from Messages app. I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.